Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can visit the store when you're in like a kickoff round. So for instance, you want to buy something in the middle of the round and you cannot seem to find the store button anywhere. And that's because it's on the top right corner of your screen. So if you go there, there is like this price tag next to the camera button. You're just going to select it and you'll see that the store is there, so you can like view some like crates, open up some packs here, and you can even like purchase some passes here. I'm just gonna open up a crate. Hopefully it's nothing that I own already. Ooh, I got something new, just pastel. I'm so glad. And you'll be able to see the new item here on the toppers. Oh, that's cute. Sorry, I'm like decorating right now, so yeah, that is pretty much how you can go to the store um, when you're in a round on kickoff. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.